Okay, we're recording.
You're recording?
Yes, we are recording.
Okay.
This is Robin and my son Pierce. We're getting the bees.
We're gonna install this bee package.
Cool.
There's probably about, can you see it? There's probably about 10,000 bees in there.
Yeah, I can see them. Cool. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Oh, bees.
That's her new rooster. What's his name, Robin?
General So.
General So, over there. Yeah. GT for short.
We put a couple frames of honey in here for them, so it's been out warming up. It's not freezing. Alright, here's what we need. Get our tools out here. There's a can opener, our hive tool, our little sharp thing.
Back up here for me, please.
You can have that one. Or here, just hang on to that. I'm actually only going to have one box on here.
So you're only gonna have one
Just
box?
for right now until they
Oh, okay.
get it together. So there's honey in there for them to get started on eating. That's from last year. And I'm gonna put a feeder in here.
Now, this package of bees, it comes with a queen, right?
Yeah, the queen's in there. Alright, Pierce, let me see that. This is a feeder. I got some screen in here so they don't drown. There should be 2 more pieces of screen, but
Oh, did we lose it?
I'll be fine.
Pierce, can you go look for it?
Alright.
Go look on the ground.
Right. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Want that?
Matter of fact, hand me that cover. That, oh, I'm sorry, too. I'll get it.
No, that's okay. I just want to point at what we're grabbing.
Yeah, grab that right there. I'm just going to put this in my feeder so that the bees don't drown. Okay. We'll give them some floaters.
Cool.
My YouTube disclaimer is that I'm not an expert, I'm a beginner. So if you're a beekeeper and you're watching this video and I do something wrong, leave a comment.
All right, back up here. Do you want to put the syrup in there first, or?
No, because
What?
I'm gonna... Dang, they really put this thing on.
Oh, it's an actual can lid in there. That's pretty cool.
All Alright, so there's going to be a lot of bees in the air in a little bit, so if you get nervous, just walk away and all be well.
Get it? All be well. That's cute.
My queen is attached to this little thing right here.
Can I get a close-up of this?
Yeah, sure. Queen's attached to this thing. I'm just loosening it up so I don't have to work so hard at it when
Oh, okay,
I
cool.
get it. All right.
Wow, look at all those. Are you getting pissed? Are they okay?
They're okay. Uh-oh. I'll have to drop my queen.
You want me to hold that for
Yep.
you?
Put your finger right there.
I got it.
Oh, thank you, Pierce.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Sit it.
Okay. This is just their syrup that they traveled with, so I'll
Oh
put
no!
this.
Oh no!
Don't drop it.
Oh no!
You're fine, you're fine.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna get my queen out here. She's got attendants inside, and these bees out here are just taking care of her.
Cool.
Just gonna shake those bees off in there. She's got a cork. I'm gonna pop it out.
Will she fly away?
No, she's not gonna get out.
Oh, okay.
Is she too lazy to, or?
There's candy in here. There we go. There's candy in here. And see, make sure she's alive. She is. She's got attendants, so you may not be able to
Cool.
see her. So the bees on the outside will eat through this candy, and the bees on the inside will eat through this candy, and then she'll be released. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of crunch her into the wax right here, and she'll be fine.
Okay. Cool.
And then I'll remove that afterwards.
Gotcha.
All right, now comes the fun part.
We can
She's gonna dump the bees out. Cool.
release the Kraken. Release the Kraken. The Krakens.
That is really cool.
All right.
It's Bee City over here, people.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they want the queen, so
They'll go after her or whatever.
they'll get in there.
And will the extras just fly out?
Yeah, they'll get in there. Put that right there. All right, now let's have some. Take the top off that syrup.
He's okay. Just undo it.
Ready?
Something in there.
It's just a little piece of lettuce or something in the kitchen.
Little piece of lettuce.
Now, how much do you put in there?
I'm gonna fill it up. Hopefully I won't drown any bees. And they should love it. They should say, "Thank you, Robin, for feeding us. We think that's great." I'm gonna put the top. You can put the top on there.
Wow, look at all of them.
Now I'm gonna try not to hurt anybody. If they see it coming, they'll get out of the way. Ready? And then go ahead and put my key.
Now, what is this?
This is the sugar syrup they came with.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna stick it in their feeder.
Gotcha.
I actually started putting a little bit of wax on the outside of this can here in transit.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it sure did. Look at that.
It's a little bit full. I think I'm gonna have to save that.
She's gonna save the can.
I'm gonna save the can. I'll put it in that jar later on.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Very cool. So exciting.
Now let's put them back together and let them get settled. I'm just gonna like slowly.
Scoot them or something.
And bees are not carnivores. I know that now.
Carnivores?
Well,
You mean,
herb. They eat plants, right?
yes, they eat pollen.
What are they? What is it called? Carbonators?
No.
What is it called?
Are you talking about what I asked yesterday?
Yeah.
Cannibals. Do they eat their...
Oh, did they eat each other? No.
Yeah, no, they don't eat each other.
All right, so that's it. That's the package of bees installed.
Very cool. Yay,
I didn't use any
Robin.
smoke. I didn't use any sugar syrup. The bees are nice and calm. Nobody's getting stung. Everything's well. So I'll leave them alone for about a week. And
He's
then
suffering.
come back
Oh, nice.
and make sure the queen got out. And make sure they're doing their work. And that's it.
All right. Good deal.
That's the ball game.
Doesn't Candyman, like the movie, didn't he like use bees or something?
I don't know, but that's not appropriate for this video.
I would put your